We are pleased to show you the 2017 QX30. The INFINITI QX30 is a premium crossover with plenty of style and performance. The QX30 offers ultimate maneuverability and is loaded with a high-quality interior space. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, splash guards, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, electronic stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.